Hi, I'm here with Dr. John to talk about the true existence in the universe itself. Dr. Levon, can you tell me about gravity?
Yes, of course. You know, the gravity, it's a force. Thanks to that gravitational force, we do have existence. Exactly what is gravity? It's energy which is constantly in movement, and it travels outward, but it pulls inward. And how does it work? We got to get even deeper into the atom itself to comprehend truly what it happens, to comprehend what exactly and how that gravity works.
Is magnetism and gravity force the same?
They're almost the same, but the magnetism is the weaker form of the true gravitational force, because the magnetism, the metals we have within Earth, those are already it's in a process of decaying, but we are able to collect all those minerals and increase the strength at a certain point, and it reaches we can feel that energy, but we comparable to the Earth's energy, it's still weaker energy. You see, that's why when the masses grows and the energy is weak, that's why that magnetism, it doesn't interfere with the true gravity.
Right. Well, let's talk about these scientists. Who's more accurate, Isaac Newton or Albert Einstein, and can you tell me why?
Yes, of course. When it comes to gravity, Isaac Newton, he was the father of the gravity, and he still are. The reason why, because according to Mr. Einstein, his explanation, the general relativity, has nothing to do with the gravity, the way the gravity works. According to Mr. Einstein, gravity force is the same. It doesn't matter whatever you are. It's like the fabric of energy. It travels the same speed of the light itself.
I see. Well, can you tell me how gravity truly works?
Yes, of course. The gravity, let's for example take our sun. The sun has 28.9 point of gravitational force. What exactly mean that? That means that our sun has more concentration of gravity than comparable to Earth. The Earth has only 1 point of gravity force. Now that's our gravity. If you want to know truly how the gravity travels, actually I can explain that too. The gravity, you see, under the whole point of gravity force, gravity travels exactly the same speed as of light, 186,000 miles per second. But each time the gravity increases, like goes another point above that, it almost you have to multiply 100 times 186,000 miles per second to understand truly how fast that energy travels.
Is the whole universe filled up with that same energy?
Not at all. That energy actually it travels certain point out of each planet, which one still has energy within them. Like for example, we take the planet Pluto is the weakest planet within our solar system, but it still has energy. It has ability to travel within our Earth's orbit.
Oh, what is the 0 point of energy?
Well, 0 point energy, that's another way of, by the scientists, they explaining that the gravitational force, but I don't see in which terms that can be 0 point energy, which one has 14.7 pound of pressure per square inch over us, and has so much strength, to hold us and keep us, right on the surface of the Earth.
Well, let's open that even further. What is electromagnetic field?
Well, they call that energy as an electromagnetic field, but electromagnetic field is the energy, the artificial energy we use in our homes. That energy is not electromagnetic field. If you translate that, what exactly mean that? Electromagnetic field come from the electricity, which one you turn the electricity on, and it creates a magnetism. But the magnetism, the gravitational force, it's a magnetism actually turns into electricity when you concentrate that. I mean, the correct term will be, magnoelectrical field.
Well, that's very interesting. Can you tell me how important gravity for our life form and how it could be so important to us, and can we survive without gravity?
Well, without a gravity, the life form won't exist at all. And because of the gravity, we do have existence. Because the energy we have within us, we are very low form of energy. And it wasn't the gravity, we couldn't have any existence today.
Really? Wow. Does gravity represent any significant force?
Of course it does. Can you imagine? It has 14.7 pound of pressure per square inch on us. That's, you know, that's only the whole point of gravitational force. Imagine this, you know, you see the Jupiter has, you know, 2.25 gravitational force. I mean, obviously that will squish us, you know, and kill us on the spot. But if we born over there, we could have, our body could have resisted that, you know, we could have been more healthier there.
Wow. Well, thank you, Dr. Levon.